Through these doors walk the finest machine tool builders in the world. Since 1903, Giddings Lewis has built machine tools in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. The V-Series is the culmination of decades of vertical turning center expertise. Dare to compare the features, capabilities, and price of the V-Series to any machine on the market. The hydrostatic ram offers superior damping and stiffness in addition to maintenance-friendly wear-free guides. An infinitely adjustable cross slide with dual-scale linear feedback provides a programmable positioning axis capable of machining a wide range of parts. No other vertical lathe offers these productive features standard. It doesn't stop there. The compact footprint minimizes valuable floor space. Floor-level installation eliminates the need for special foundations. A cost-effective Giddings Lewis V-Lock tooling interface accepts standard industry tool retention systems and modular tools, which reduces tooling costs. Rigid cast iron base construction supports heavy loads and high cutting forces. The table base is designed for efficient chip removal. Attachment options, including live spindle, deliver machining versatility. When it comes to support, there's no comparison to Fives Giddings Lewis and Global Services parts, service, and application expertise. We've designed the V-Series to handle a wide range of parts. Our application group will help you get the most from your investment. Dare to compare the high-value standard features, rigid design, and affordable price of the Giddings Lewis V-Series, and you'll see why it's the right choice.